All right, let's dive into the invisible world that's all around us. We're going to talk about the hidden drivers behind, well, everything. Every movement, every change, every single thing that happens. We're talking about forces.
And just so you know where we are on this journey, this is part 4 of our 20-part series on an introduction to physics from Virtualization Options LLC.
So, last time we were together, we got really into motion. Speed, velocity, acceleration. We pretty much nailed the what of how things move. But that left this huge hanging question in the air. I mean, we can describe with amazing detail how a baseball flies through the air, or how a car accelerates down the highway. We've got the math, the terms, we get it. But why? Why did the ball even start moving? What was it that made the car speed up to begin with? Answering that question, well, that's what today is all about. So, let's meet the hero of our story today. It's this simple, powerful idea that answers the why behind absolutely all motion. Let's get right down to it. What is a force?
And there it is. It's really that fundamental. A force is just a push or a pull. That's it. It's an interaction, an influence that has the power to change how an object is moving. So simple, so elegant, and as you're about to see, so incredibly powerful.
And what's really amazing is just how much this simple push or pull can actually do. A force can take something that's sitting perfectly still and get it moving. It can bring a speeding object to a dead stop. It can make something go faster or slower, or just make it take a turn. Forces are the reason anything ever changes. Now, force is kind of a general catch-all term, but in the real world, in our everyday lives, we run into a whole cast of specific forces. So let's meet the main characters, the ones that are acting on you and everything around you right this very second. First up, the big one, the headliner, the one we are all intimately familiar with, even if we don't think about it, gravity. Gravity is this constant, invisible pull between any two things that have mass. It's what is literally holding you to your chair right now. It's what keeps our planet circling the sun, and of course, it's what makes sure that when you drop your keys, they go down, not up. Next, let's talk about the force that always seems to be trying to stop the party, the one that always works against motion. Friction. This is the perfect example. Anytime two surfaces are touching and one tries to slide past the other, friction pushes back. It's the whole reason a book you slide across a table slows down and stops. Without it, things would just keep sliding forever. Okay, our third character is a little more mysterious. It has a split personality. It can both push and pull. Let's talk about magnetism. You know this feeling? It's that fascinating, invisible power you felt when you played with magnets as a kid. It can clamp a note to your fridge, sure, but on a much, much bigger scale, it's the fundamental principle that makes giant electric motors spin. It's a force that acts from a distance, attracting or repelling, without ever having to touch. And finally, for our main cast today, there's a special kind of friction that you're actually moving through right now: air resistance. Just think of it as the air itself pushing back on you. When you see a leaf flutter gently to the ground instead of just dropping like a rock, you're watching air resistance in action. It's also the very thing that engineers have to master to design things like super-fast cars and efficient airplanes. It's basically friction, but with the air. So we've met the individual players, but here's the really important thing to understand. They almost never act alone. Right now, as you sit there, seemingly perfectly still, there's a silent, invisible drama of forces playing out all around you. Now, this is a really profound idea. It completely changes what it means to be still. Stillness isn't the absence of forces, it's a perfect, silent tug of war. Right now, gravity is pulling you down, but your chair is pushing back up with the exact same strength. And the result? You don't move. A perfect balance. It's not that nothing is happening, it's that everything is happening in perfect, balanced harmony. And really, this is the ultimate takeaway. Motion, change, life itself. None of it would be possible without these fundamental pushes and pulls. Forces are the engine that drives reality. So, that leaves us with a really fascinating question to think about. We know these forces exist, and we've seen what they can do. But how do they behave? Are there rules to this cosmic game of push and pull? And if there are, what are they? We'll get into that next time.